Okay, in conducting chi-square tests in Excel, you have to have the observed data and expected data. So I made a table again for this. So first column is gender, it's male and female. Second and third, fourth column is the head and shoulders or the brand of shampoo for this one. So I want to count kung ilang male ang pumili ng head and shoulders. Ilang male ang pumili ng sunsilk, ilang male ang pumili ng dove. Ilang female ang pumili ng head and shoulders, sunsilk, and dove. So if you want to count that one, all you have to do is, if you want to count ilang sa under head and shoulders, ilang male ang pumili or ilang female ang pumili. It's the same way. So, the reason na 0 correspondent 01, 02 yun nandito is kasi i-arrange natin to in, let's say, we're going to arrange this A to Z para tatabi-tabi yung lahat ng dove, lahat ng head and shoulders, lahat ng sunset. Okay? So, to make these things easy, so you have to count the dove. So, under dove, ilang male? Dalawa. Ilang female? You have to highlight this one and it generates the count right here. So, 4. So, you have to do the same all for the male and female, head and shoulders, and sunset. You can also rearrange this one again. You see, just have to sort, use the selection above, and that's it. So, much easier kung sino yung konti lang yung category. For male, ilan yung pumili ng dove, ilan yung shampoo, same. So, this is for observed data. So, this is the range for observed data. This is the total. As you can see, you can do this one manually, or you can do this one right here. So, for expected data, 8 times 11 divided by 30. Expected data under sunsilk and male, it's 10 divided times 11 or 16 times 11 divided by 30. So this is the expected range. So the same principle for alpha level 0.05. If the chi-square value falls below 0.05, it means there is a significant data or significant yung relationship ng dalawang categorical variables. Means meron talagang pagkakaiba sa pagpili nila ng shampoo or ano ba. Okay? So, there's a formula for that one in Excel again. It's chi square it's chi sq.t test. So, click this one, open parenthesis again. First is the actual range. It means the observed data. Here's the observed data, then comma, expected range or expected data. This is the expected data. Close with close parenthesis. There you have it. 0.98221. It means it's above alpha level. It means walang pagkakaiba sa pagpili ng male and female sa brand of shampoo or walang significant relationship between the two categorical variables. So, for this one, you have to arrange all observed data here. O for observed data, E for expected. And if you want to find the chi-square value, you have to do it manually. For this one, for example, observed data naka-arrange by column. Observed data for, this is for A, B, C, D, E, F, So that's the label for for this data. For expected data, it's the same way here. O minus expected data. So let's do it all over. Equals O minus E, hit enter. This one, shift 6 and 2, or you could just type in asterisk and multiply by itself. You have it, equals divided by expected range. And then you have to drag this one. Drag. There you can get the chi-square value, which would be negative. Oh, let's say my dash. Anyway, so there it is. The chi-square value is pretty low. So the chi-square critical value is 5.99. If you're going to consult a chi-square distribution table, one tail degrees of freedom for this sample set is 2. So the chi-square critical value is 5.99. It's lower than 5.99. It means there is no significant evidence na magpapatunay na may relationship yung dalawa. Um, you're doing this one to prove that your p-value and your chi-square value is magkatugma, or you have two evidence na nagpapatunay na wala talaga significant relationship yung brand and gender. Okay? So, you have to put this one on your results and discussion. First one, you have to copy paste the observed data from the Excel and expected data for the gender and brand. This is the observed data, and this is the expected data. Table 5, it's you're going to have contingency table. Contingency table, ito yung table dito. And then sa baba is the result. So chi-square value, ito yun siya. Degrees of freedom. Chi-square critical value, you have to find that one on chi-square chi-square distribution table. Chi-square p-value is this one. And last row, decision on null hypothesis. So again, if statistically, if the p-value falls below the 0.05, it means you have to reject. Otherwise, if it falls above the 0.05 level of significance, you have to accept the null hypothesis. You have to accept na wala or walang significant relationship uh, na yung dalawang variable. Okay? So you have to reiterate this one. Same way with continuous. Table 3 shows the chi-square test on the significant relationship of gender and preference, brand of shampoo. So same way we did with our activities class, since the chi-square value open and close is less than the chi-square critical value. So let's say chi-square critical value is 5.99, and you have to back up with p-value of 0.98, then the null hypothesis is accepted. So again, after you reiterate this one, you have to have RL supporting this. Okay? Then you will have the conclusions and recommendation. So for conclusion, so since we have results, or this is the highlight of your results. First highlight, there are more females. Second highlight, Sunsilk brand is the most preferred brand of shampoo, or it has